You ever wonder how often you should check your credit report? If you're thinking once a year, it's time to level up. Checking your credit report weekly might sound extreme, but trust me, it's one of the smartest moves you can make for your financial health. In today's video, we're diving into why staying on top of your credit report can seriously impact your financial future. First off, why should you care? Your credit score is basically your financial reputation. It affects everything from getting approved for a loan to snagging a great interest rate on a car or home. But here's the thing, credit scores can change all the time. And if you're not keeping an eye on your credit report regularly, you could miss out on errors or fraud that might be tanking your score without you even knowing it. Second, it helps catch mistakes fast. Did you know about 20% of people have an error on their credit report? And those errors could be dragging your score down. If you're only checking once a year, that's a long time to let those mistakes sit there, hurting your chances for financial opportunities. Checking weekly gives you the chance to catch those mistakes early and get them corrected quickly. Fraud is real, folks. Identity theft is on the rise, and if someone gets their hands on your info, they can wreck your credit faster than you think. Weekly credit report checks mean you can spot anything weird or suspicious, like accounts you never opened or charges you didn't make, and act before it spirals out of control. Now, you might be wondering, how do I even check my credit report weekly? The good news is it's easier than you think. Some services allow you to pull up your reports for free every week. Yep, every week. You can use platforms like Credit Karma or go directly to annualcreditreport.com, which lets you check all three major credit reports: Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. And if this feels a little overwhelming, don't worry, I've got your back. If you're serious about taking control of your credit, I'd love to help you out. Book a consultation with me at www.shamikasaves.com. Together, we can go over your credit report, make a plan, and take steps to improve your score. My credit coaching services is designed to help you understand your credit and take charge of your financial future. Your credit report is one of the most important tools in your financial toolkit. So don't wait, start checking it weekly. Protect your financial health, and if you need help along the way, you know where to find me. Again, head over to www.shamikasaves.com and let's get your credit back on track. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. And don't forget to tap the notification bell so you never miss an update. Also, check out the description box below for links to our latest website updates and special offers. See you next time.